Now, for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, we're taking this wonderful anthem that was written this year, 2020, by Kathy Fink, Hold Each Other Up. And we're seeing if we can find a little chord solo and some improvisational things that we can do to create an instrumental on this song. And we're doing it over the chord configuration that appears in the choruses. So those chords are our guide along with the melody. Now we're in the key of C. So what we did in class is by ear, we started humming the melody and finding the notes using our voice to guide us. And we discovered la 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 la. We found a E D C C C C E. La 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 la. E D C C C C C. We're fudging the melody a little. And then we went C C E D C D. So let's just explore that a little bit. The first part of the solo was la 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 la, and the chord is a C. We're just going to consider it a C. So we're going la 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 chord la 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 la. And you notice what my way of doing this is, which is not the way, it's just my way, is I keep my fingers in this little finger picking position so that when I'm picking out a note on the A string, I'm using my ring finger, my right hand, and I'm getting ready to hit some chords, some harmony when I need it. So the way the melody works, it's one, two, da, 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 pause, da, da. Now we change chords to an F. So I'm going to make an F chord, but the melody note is a C. So I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to press down right here, third fret, A string. That note is a C. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to fudge here and then make my C. So let me show you again. One, two. Two. Now, the technique I'm using with my right hand is the old block chord, where I'm plucking several strings at the same time. And I try to lay down a harmony on the downbeat if possible. So we're doing it here. So it's one, two, downbeat, downbeat, two, downbeat, two, three, four. And then this next part of it is ba, 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 ba. And then we're going to go to a G chord. Now, in the arrangement's a G7, but we're going to fudge it and make it just a G. And we're doing this little form of a G here, starting on the 5th fret. And where our index finger is, see, that's right like that. Our index finger is holding down the melody note, which is so cool because we can then play all 4 strings as harmony. Let's do that again from the beginning. So 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now for the rest of the solo, we're just going to improvise over the chord. So make your chords with your left hand and you can do whatever you want. We're doing a simple improvisation where we're just using the notes that are available in the chord. Of course, there are other notes, and I hope you will explore and find other possibilities, but this is a good starting place. So da, 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 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ba, 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 da, 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 da. I just hit any old note as long as I just stayed in the pocket. And so I was going from strumming while we were singing and comping to something that's very different and creates the atmosphere of an instrumental. So let's just try that one more time from the top of that instrumental. So 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was just a little improvisation using the chord, all the notes in the chord, and nothing else. So enjoy.